Efren said, above all, be the heroine of your life, not the victim. Very happy Women's Day, ladies. As we are celebrating International Women's Day in challenging times, we are forced to introspect and evolve ourselves. But a question we need to ask is, do we feel safe, empowered, equal, or happy as women today? We, the women, need to raise our standard and solve our problems ourselves and thrive until we reach that day, which we all dream of, about gender equality. How can we do it? How can we solve our problems? We are trying to learn this by taking insights of various women working in different sectors, living in different countries, and most importantly, from homemakers too. Let's meet our guest from New Delhi, Archana Agarwal. Archana Agarwal is a dietitian. Her expertise is in dietary support and lifestyle counseling for ongoing treatment of cancer, hormonal imbalances, PCOS, and infertility. She is the founder of The Essence of Good Health, which is a passionate project for enlightening and empowering people with knowledge of the role of good nutrition in preventing lifestyle diseases, especially cancer and hormonal imbalances. Namaskar, Archana ji.
Namaste, Juhi.
How are you?
I am very well. Or blossom behind you is adding the glow to your already glowing face. Huh? So beautiful.
Thank you so much. I just could not resist keeping it outside in the balcony. So I just said, look, sit with me. It's always a pleasure to see you. The Gut Health Talk has been a great success. People are sending me messages and they have made lifestyle changes, which I'll be sharing the messages with you. Archana ji, since we are meeting again for International Women's Day, I would like to know that what do you think where we have reached as women today?
Women have always been everywhere. हमेशा ही रही हैं. और whether we talk about technical advances made by them, whether their role in administrative sector, government sector, private sector, public sector, but they have always been there. But I feel the difference where they had come is from the space from where they are operating. एक होता है ना victim mode जो अभी आपने बात करी ना, that was a beautiful start to it. Whenever we operate from that victim mode, जो कि एक conditioning भी है, मुझे लगता है कि हम बहुत ज्यादा अगर अपने आप से अंदर टटोले, if we look inside us, we don't really feel victimized, but एक चीज के बारे में जब इतना ज्यादा जिक्र आता है, बातें होती हैं, you start operating from that, your brain starts operating from that space. So the major difference I see that we always have been there and we always will be everywhere. But the difference that I see now is that women now don't operate from that victim
mode.
And us victim mode mein, you don't have to be aggressive to come out of it. We don't have to be, neither aggressive, nor terrorist, nor feminist. It's, it has to be first acknowledged कि हम हैं जो एक certain physiological, mental, emotional differences हैं men and women में. They have beautifully been acknowledged, and you optimize working on those differences, which add strength and a very special essence to your being. So अभी जब आपने अपनी जो बहुत सुंदर सा कोट किया, और when you say that instead of the victim mode, you are the queen of your life. So I'll just share a very small incident. When I'm the youngest third
daughter.
I'm the daughter of the house, and I was called Queen Elizabeth by my dad when I was born. And I was a third cesarean. See, till date, third cesarean child. I was a third cesarean child, very well looked after by my parents. And when I was born in the hospital only, my parents' ke neighbors आए, when they told my dad that आपके घर Queen Elizabeth हुई. He just held my hands. He felt something about my fingers or whatever. So till date, my father called me a queen. I was the Queen Elizabeth for him, and he actually treated me like one. So,
so beautiful. Yes.
For me, for me, feeling like a queen just came very naturally right from the time I was born.
How sweet, very sweet. And the fathers have to do that for their daughters.
Yes.
So, not every daughter has the chance of becoming a queen or a princess. society is made up of all kinds of people. So I would like to know, what changes would you like to see towards a better future?
जूही, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि चेंजेस सबसे पहले तो हमारे अपने साथ होने चाहिए, है ना, बिफोर वी लाइक टू सी चेंजेस इन अदर्स. एंड the moment we connect to ourselves, to our deep inner selves, है ना. So as a dietitian, as a nutritionist who really believes in the, not in the power of food, I would say in the strength, you know, the physical strength that it imparts to our very being, the physiological strength that it gives to us, the mental, emotional, and the social connection it imparts to a relationship. So change आना है कि हम सबसे पहले तो अपने फिजिकल हेल्थ को एक चॉइस की तरह ना समझें. We need to think of it as a responsibility. You know, just because मैं हूँ, I am there, it's my wish if I want to be healthy or not healthy. It is a responsibility. We all owe a responsibility to ourselves. We owe a responsibility towards the family as a family member, है ना. जब हम privileges लेते हैं एक family के, तो we also, this is one of our basic duty to take care of ourselves. And then we owe it to the society. If we are living in a society, then we owe it to a nation, we owe it to this planet Earth.
Correct.
So when we take right actions, in every which way, you know, food being the basic need of us. So for me, everything begins with good nutrition. And when we do follow the basic guidelines for maintaining good health, I think just about everything starts falling into place. You know, ecosystem की बात होती है कि sustainable ecosystem होना चाहिए, sustainable health treatment होना चाहिए. So it all first begins from the physical self, and for that, nourishment is most important. And another thing we have to understand is that we are the nurturers. You know, we've been blessed with that special emotional zone wherein we, but उसका मतलब ये नहीं है, किसी को खाना खिलाने का मतलब ये नहीं, you have to compromise on yourself. In fact, the responsibility goes up many times more.
Just I remember when you're saying this कि जब हम फ्लाइट में होते हैं तो हमें वो एयर होस्टेस पहले कहती है ना कि अपना ऑक्सीजन मास्क पहले खुद लगाएं, है ना.
बहुत जरूरी है.
वही चीज आपने भी बोली.
अच्छा, एक चीज और मुझे बहुत मजेदार लगती है. You know, I don't know why it has been like that working in the kitchen, cooking food makes a woman feel used, exploited, or I feel this is the biggest trustworthy job that you could be assigned, because for me, kitchen is the biggest pharmacy in the world. You can either make or break yourself. In our Indian cooking, the kind of spices that we use and the kind of daily cooking, which is a daily regime of breakfast, lunch, dinner, it gives us ample chance to include such spices and herbs in our meals that it leaves us with no need to be at the pharmacy, I would say. We have an inbuilt pharmacy at home. Correct. So working in the kitchen should be a choice. It should not be something which is forced on you. It gives you so much of power, strength, not just to take care of your own self, but of your entire family.
So आपका जो चेंज है वो बेसिकली आप लोगों में चेंजेस देखना चाहती हैं कि वो खुद से ही अच्छा न्यूट्रिशन, अच्छी हेल्थ के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो जाए, तो अपने आप सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, which is very true, है ना. वही
the kind of gadgets, the kind of helping hands that, and so many provisions with little bit of planning. Cooking is a huge pleasure. It is not a daily chore which you have to take on as a something which pulls you.
I think ये मेंटल कंडीशनिंग की बात है. जिस एनवायरनमेंट में प्रोबेबली वो लोग रहे हैं कि कुकिंग को लो ग्रेडेड वर्क माना जाता है, शायद ऐसा सोचा होगा. और हम लोग जहाँ पे पले बड़े हैं तो हमने न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में बचपन से ही समझना शुरू कर दिया था.
बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल, बहुत. और अच्छा न्यूट्रिशन अपने लिए, अपने परिवार के लिए, अगेन आई वुड से, शुड बी टेकन एज अ ह्यूज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, एंड देयर इज enough help around and it is important to involve the family members. And हमेशा मैं कहती हूँ कि सबसे welcoming, the best way to welcome anybody in the home is with some fresh cooked food. And जब हम घर में घुसते हैं, बहुत अच्छी सी महक, एरोमा होती है, तो I think that takes away all the stress of the day.
Correct. और आपको पता है ये जॉर्ज क्लूनी जो हैं, उन्होंने अमाल को ऐसे ही पटाया था. अमाल क्लूनी को खाना बना के, डिनर खुद अपने हाथ से पका के खिला के.
Yes.
चलिए
The way to a woman's heart is also through good food. It's not just a man.
So, which brings us to our final question. From challenge comes change. So, how would you like to challenge other women under Choose to Challenge theme?
See, I would challenge to me again. The word comes that like let's be a little more responsible and explore the role of nutrition, good sleep, good environment, the effect of environmental factors, the effect of hormones, the effect of our mindset on our health. So let's kind of be very aware of how all these factors can help us to achieve our goals. It is for education also, you need to have good health, you have a good mental status, which is so directly related to your nutritional status, to your good sleeping patterns, to your exercise. How integral is a good exercise a part of your daily lifestyle? Whether you want to achieve whatever your goals are in your career, for your children, for yourself, I feel you really need to dwell on the role of exercise, sleep, good food, mindset, your hormonal imbalance. Everything is intricately connected, and nothing works in isolation. And another thing is that we all women deep inside should really connect with each other. Women power is all about connecting, the connect between women to women. We have to come out of that exploited mode of thinking. Nobody is exploiting, nobody will exploit us till the time we give it them the keys.
Correct. So you have to come forward and hold each other's hand in public. Yes. And show the power that we are there, show the support that we are there for you.
Not just in public, Juhi. First of all, जब हम दिल और दिमाग से इस चीज को समझते हैं ना, तो I think that support, even if it is not tangible, I think that connection shows in the way we even look at a woman.
Wow. Amazing. Very good. That is getting little spiritual, and to reach there, I think everybody has to first detox themselves completely, have good nutrition, have a sound sleep, declutter in life, and then, slowly get there. So It was such a pleasure talking to you, like always. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Juhi. And one thing which I would now like to share is, Juhi and I share the same school. She was a good, I think, 8 to 9 years my junior. And this is with extreme pride, the wonderful job, Juhi, that you're doing. And, in all possible areas, you're really trying to bring out the best.
Thank you so much, Archana. I really appreciate this.
My pleasure.
Hope our little efforts bring big smiles and some changes. Sweeties, be healthy and drink wisely. So please take a glass of water and think about Archana ji's challenge to you. And it's a long list, but very attainable. Please follow it. And if you are with us in the hashtag Choose to Challenge, then please share this video with all your friends and do encourage us by sharing your thoughts in the comment box below. Use these hashtags in social media shares. Bye-bye.